Oh yeah. So today I'm doing a O2 Impala stabilizer arm, rear stabilizer arm, or rear control arm, lower control arm. So this is how you do it. Okay. First off, this is what it looks like brand new. Okay. It's pretty beastie. What I did, I was in the middle of the interstate, and the thing snapped on me. Yeah, no bueno. So, and what you're gonna want to do is, shout out to Scar and Audio Pipe, powered by my APCLE, not to be confused with the APCL. Notice how the pin is different. So I'm gonna have to basically just set it, you know what I mean, eyeball it, because it is the rear and it's not gonna matter that much, you know what I mean, because that's not nearly the size of that, and you know, whatever. So, and I'm gonna have to measure the whole thing. So what you're gonna do is take off your tire. Okay, this is I can't remember, for an O2 Impala, I think this one was it. It's a 19 mil. Okay, take those off. Then you're gonna have I can't remember what this one was. This is a 7/8 or 19 mil. 19 mil, I think. Another 19, nope. Okay, well, we'll call it something. You know, it's a bolt. You'll find a socket for it, I'm sure, trust me. Okay, there. This is a 13/16. Okay, then, great, now it's stuck. Okay. So this is all one bolt. It sits in there on that with the washer. Okay, washer, stabilizer arm, and it goes up. There's the other part, goes up. And there's another one held on by this same bolt, okay, which is right here. I don't know if you can see it, whatever. Goes up here, and you're gonna need wrenches or vice grips or something, because it's too close to the gas tank, unless you want to drop the gas tank, to be able to use a socket. Everybody wants to use the fucking impact, but that's impossible right here, unless you got some kind of angle tool. It's gonna work. And you're gonna have to use two, just like you are on here. Grab one to hold and grab the other two torque with, and then you take it all off and you put it back on in reverse order. That's pretty much it. Super simple job. It's literally taken me 20 minutes to do, except I'm taking several different breaks to do YouTube videos and stuff like that. Take a moment of silence for my amp with the fan. 1500 APCLE, and these things are monsters. The amp dyno, they're not rated at half ohm, but they will do half ohm, because that's what it's wired to now. Then my next project is the MAFs. It's the whole MAF, but the gasket. See right here? See right here? Let's see if I can't turn on my hour. No, it can't, because my battery's too low. I need to redo a gasket, so I got like 5 different gasket maker, and I'm going to try to see if I can't make a gasket. If not, then I'll put it back on and I'll finagle it somehow. But that's pretty much it. Of course, the hardest part is going to be lining that up ever so perfectly, so that way you don't wear one end of your tread more than the other, and you don't make your tires sideways and all that good jazz. But honestly, that's not my biggest concern right now. My biggest concern is I had to call off work to do this monstrosity. But the funny thing, okay, so to get back, I used a ratchet strapped to the other control arm on the other side that goes up, and it goes from there up, and I ratchet strap from the other side all the way to right here and ratchet around that. And then I used, where's it at? I used this. This is some kind of stake I had in the car. I believe it used to be for a kit to get the tire off. I used that as a splint and kind of held it on there. I did this pretty much and splinted it together because it snapped off right here. So I splinted it, zip tie every 3, and these are like fat boy zip ties, like that big. So I got it on there, and then I used the ratchet strap to keep it stable, and then I got it on there because there's still that one side of there's that other side of the control arm. So it pretty much was a fix until I got back home. It still had the wobbly, it still had that shit. It wasn't nearly as bad. As long as I took it easy and didn't take turns sharp, I was cool. Probably drove like that for a couple more days without making actually any more serious damage. But that's enough of that. I'm gonna get it done. This part was only $36 at O'Reilly's Auto Parts. So, and I'm flat broke. I had to go borrow money from somebody, one of my kids' moms, you know, whatever, how that goes. But, thanks. And if you guys could please like and subscribe, I'd really appreciate it. It's only going to give me one more subscriber, but hey, it's one more sub I didn't have. So, I mean, it's nothing to you guys, costs nothing to you, it's free. Make me happy, please. I'm going to title the video so that way it's clickbait. It's not even clickbait, it's really going to help somebody. Like I said, to reiterate, take off the tire, bam. You don't got to take the caliper off, because I didn't. And I'm using the basic of basic tools. These tools I have are mainly for car audio, because that's my specialty. And I'm using random stuff that I have to make it work. Make sure, though, you get some kind of liquid wrench or PB blaster. I like PB blaster, but I couldn't. It's like $3 more than the regular off-brand stuff. So if you guys could, PB blaster, you guys are awesome. I'd rather buy you, but I couldn't afford it. You guys could send me a bottle, I'd be freaking awesome. Alright, thanks though. Remember to subscribe. Thanks. Bye-bye.